Hey guys, it's me, Kaleb. Today we are going on a big car ride with all of my friends. This is going to be exciting.
When Kaleb started the car.
Is everyone ready to go?
Yes!
Okay, let's go.
When Kaleb stopped at a red light for a very long time.
Are you guys handling it? It's definitely your fault. Fine, I'll admit it was my fault.
After the ride, Kaleb got back to his house and dropped off his friends.
Wow, that was a really fun trip. Even though we had to stop at a red light for hours. But it was still fun. See you in another video or episode.